Today, an easy to follow video on how to put on pedals or cleats on a road bike, mountain bike, kids bike, and indoor bike. The steps are easy to follow once you understand the difference between the right and the left hand pedal. So let's get started. There's not a lot of gap in here, so all my standard options, even my small crescent wrench, doesn't fit in there. So I had to buy a thin wrench. This is 3 millimeters thick and really hard to hold on to. So I came up with a solution, a wrench extender or a torque arm. Sometimes you can spray something like a WD-40 here on the edges like I did. Maybe loosen it up, and I'll post how to make this up here. There we go. Broke it free. You can see by that left pedal, see the grease there? So if you don't like grease, you might want to wear some gloves. Clockwise to take it off, counterclockwise to lock it down. Sometimes you need a special tool that saves the day, and if you don't have it, it could make your life miserable. This is a 17 millimeter wrench, so it's good to have a whole bunch of different kinds. Pushing it this way on the left side. This is the bike I rode across the United States. You don't need a bike stand in order to change the pedals. I'll show you how to do it without one. So you just take the bike, flip it upside down. You want to put it on some sort of soft surface. Carpeting helps. So I've shown you the left pedal on the exercise bike. Now I'll do the right pedal on the road bike. Whether it's a road bike, mountain bike, kids bike, right side, always the same. Left side, always the same. So for this look pedal, I need a 15 millimeter wrench, and this time it's clockwise to turn it on, counterclockwise to take it off. So that's more of a standard thread that most people are used to. The left side is the goofy side. That's the opposite thread. Hand tighten that on. Give it a couple extra rounds with the wrench. And just tighten it up as best as you can, holding down on the opposite pedal. You don't have to do it super extreme tight. You could put some Loctite on there. And the great thing about these is it actually has an Allen wrench that can go in on this side, give you a little extra oomph. This gives you plenty of room to put any standard wrench in. Here's a fairly large crescent wrench, and even that would be able to go in and work on this pedal. Thumbs up and comments, always appreciated. Thanks for watching. If you like sports gear evaluations, how-to videos on how to make your own or install sports gear, designs of all kinds, making and breaking stuff, I even do costumes, cosplay, and props. Check out my channel and please subscribe, because you never know what you're gonna see.